Dead slow, astern. Okay, dead slow ahead. Dahan lang tayo pala sa pinakamaliit na barko sa domestic. Approach tayo 45 degree. Approach tayo 45 degrees. Okay, approach tayo 45 degrees, 90 degrees. Ikot naman tayo 180 degrees. Dahan lang tayo. Midship brother.
0.5.
Midship brother. Wala pala tayo nag-assist ngayon si Benji. Unahin natin yung taga-pupa. Okay. Okay.
1.4.
Okay. Okay.
1.6.
1.6. Starboard 5. Stop engine. Yeah, monitor mo lang distansya bro.
80 decreasing.
Okay. Hard starboard. Hard starboard natin para hindi tayo
0 decreasing.
Ano yon?
70 decreasing.
Okay, 70. Speed
2.3.
60 decreasing.
60, okay.
Radar starboard sir, 2.3.
Okay, full thrust to port.
Full thrust to port.
Dead slow astern.
Yes, the stern.
50 sir decreasing.
Okay, 50.
40 decreasing.
40, thank you. Oo. Yan, tingnan natin yung quick water dito.
30 decreasing.
Okay, 30, thank you.
1.5.
1.5. Yan, dikita lang natin kasi tinitulak tayo ng hangin palabas.
0.5.
Stop engine.
Stop.
Yan, hard port.
Airport.
Hindi natin alam kung anong thank you. Hindi natin alam kung ano mga diskarte yung iba. Yung share lang natin kung paano mag-diskarte, magmanyobrada. Dahan-dahan lang tayo. Tapos okay. Sa simulator may bayad yan tayo, libre lang. Tayo pala isa pinakamaliit na barko dito sa domestic. Kaya ano lang tayo, share lang natin yung kalaman. Okay. Port, hard port na.
Airport sir.
Okay, dead slow ahead. Dead slow ahead.
Yes, go ahead.
Speed. Yan. 0.3. Okay.
Yes, go ahead now sir.
Okay, thank you. Paibot naman tayo ikot. Sanay pala tayo sa walang bow thruster, walang
0.4.
0.4. Kadina lang gamit natin, pero pwede din kadina. Oo. Thank you. One knot.
1.5.
Okay.
Distansya pier sir.
Okay, thank you. Stop engine. Hard starboard. Hard starboard.
Inline bullard 7.
Engine stop sir.
Stop thrust. Stop thrust.
Stop thrust.
Inline bullard 7 sir.
Okay, inline bulan 7.
Stop thrust. Going to hard starboard.
Oh,
60 distansya pier.
60, thank you.
Radar starboard sir.
Okay, thank you. Yan, unahin natin yung taga-pupa para makadikit sila. Okay, thank you.
Bullard 6.
Okay, Bullard 6, thank you.
60 distansya.
60, distansya, thank you.
1.3 sir, speed 1.3.
1.3.
40 distansya.
Okay, 40. Full thrust, half thrust to port.
Half thrust to port.
Ng bullard 5 and bullard 6 sir.
Okay, thank you. Hard starboard.
Hard starboard.
30 distansya fishing boat.
Half thrust
Okay.
to port, hard starboard.
Biso gab, Bullard 5 ka. Dead slow astern.
Inline na sir, bullard 5.
Okay. Area kadina pro
Kadina.
Okay. Dead slow, astern.
Andyan.
Astern.
Yes, go astern.
Oh. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Fishing boat.
Okay. Yan, atras tayo.
0.9.
0.9.
0.5.
Okay. Full thrust to port ha, papunta doon. Oo. Stop engine. Hard port. Yan, hard port natin kasi 5 tayo, tinutulak tayo hangin palabas. Yeah. Tapos papasukin natin yung pupay, ganyan natin, ganyan.
0.9 Aston sir.
Oh, hard port rather.
Output rather going.
Open brake lang yung kanina, bro ha. Pro ha, radio check.
Sir.
Open brake lang kanina.
Naka-open deck lang, sir.
Okay. Hard port ha. Dead slow ahead.
Let's go ahead. 0.8 sir.
Oh.
Speed. Let's go ahead engine sir.
Oo. Yan. Yung ibang barko, pinapapasok nila yung proa. Tayo pupa para tayong passenger. Inuna natin yung pupa natin para makapasok yung pupa. Siya lang maglabay. Gia. Speed.
0.4 sir.
Oo.
0.6.
Okay. Stop engine. Hard starboard.
Starboard. AJ stop here.
Oh.
Going towards starboard.
Okay. Dead slow astern.
Let's go start.
Pag malapit na yung pupa, tapon nyo lagi yan yung pupa. Okay, sir.
Let's go start sir.
Okay, atras na ko.
Sige, sir.
Ganito yung mag-diskarte yung taga, hindi natin alam kung anong diskarte yung mga kasama natin. Pero sa atin, ganito lang tayo. Inuna natin pupa kasi hangin kasi yung amihan. Amingan. Okay. Tinutulak tayo. Yan, tapos atras tayo yan. Malapit na tayo. Dikit. Yan.
0.5 sir.
Okay. Speed.
1 sir.
Okay.
1.2 start.
Okay, thank you. Hard starboard ha.
Starboard.
Stop engine. Stop engine.
Stop engine. AJ stop sir.
Okay. Yan, atras tayo. Inuna natin pupa natin para tayong passenger. Hard port.
Output.
Hard starboard lang dong.
Starboard.
Hard starboard. Oh.
Scope up here about 30.
Okay, 3-0. Pag malapit na, tapon nyo lang.
Okay, sir.
Yan, ito yung nagtatapon.
sir.
Si Christian, oh. Op. Bang, wala. Wala, lapit na. Trial and error. Yan. Sa pang tapon, isang tapon. Hard starboard rudder lang ha.
Starboard brother.
Oo.
Still hard starboard sir.
Oo.
Distance here about 2.5.
Top 5. Okay, thank you. Yan, lapit na. Tapon naman. Pangalawang tapon. Kaunti na lang. Abot na siguro yan. 2-5 meters na lang. Ayan o. Hard port dong. Hard starboard dong.
Still hard starboard sir.
Oo. Kick ahead dong. Dead slow ahead.
Okay, let's go ahead.
Papasukin natin yung pupa kasi hindi man makabot to 20 meters eh. Okay. Stop engine.
Stop there.
Oh.
Trust the portrait.
Ito, wala
pwede ko sir, hindi abot yung lupit ko sir.
Sige, hard port dong pag ganyan. Hard port. Oh. Sige, palapitin ko. Paibot ko lang konti.
Sir.
Hard port dong ha.
Hard portrait.
Sige, ano ko lang, pabalik ko sa pagkalat. Oo.
Lateral po,
Oh,
sir.
dead slow ahead.
Let's go ahead.
Yan, tapo naman ang giya.
Okay, let's go ahead,
Oh.
sir. One up special.
Stop engine.
Stop engine.
Yan, hard starboard.
Hard starboard.
Sikan.
Spear about 3.5, sir.
Okay, yan. Trial and error, pangalawa naman natin. Eh, panikitan ko pa, mamaya nyo na itapon, yung pinakamalapit na.
Okay, sir.
Oh, abiso na hard starboard dong.
Lateral starboard,
Dead slow astern.
Let's go start.
Yan. Trial and error tayo dito ngayon. Atras.
Let's go start, sir.
Okay. Open brake mo lang yung kanina mo, bro.
Sir, naka-open brake lang, sir.
Okay. Yan, atras tayo, swing tayo, panahin natin yung popa para tayong passenger. Tulak kasi tayo ng hangin, pabalik ng pantalan, kaya mahirap. Speed,
Okay. 0.4, sir.
0.4. Okay.
Distance spear about 3.0.
Stop engine.
Stop engine.
Okay, 3-0. Thank you.